Yeah, back at it again. Back at it again.
Oh, hold on, what's this?
Back at it again.
Rags bun, 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 rags bun.
Only this guy. Yo, what is good? What is up? Back at it again for another episode of Low&Slow Garage. See how your boy gotta get that done. But just arrived to the garage. I don't know if you didn't watch the last video, but that should be gone by tomorrow. Hopefully, if the guy don't bluff. So let me show you guys what I got going on here, what is sold. So like I said, if the guy don't bluff on the truck, that's gone tomorrow. Transmission should be gone by tomorrow. So got a friend of mine that's coming to buy that for his brother, so that's gone. And the different cases somewhere over there, which I have to dig it out. Front grill's gone. Front grill's gone. So just about everything's been sold. So what are we doing today? What are we doing? We have a 5.3. You got me. Yeah. So it's time, comes the time where I'm gonna start tearing it apart a little bit. We're gonna get it down, clean it up, and et cetera, et cetera. So hopefully that goes good today. Parts has been arriving in for this car out here, right behind me. So sooner or later, guys, we're gonna start putting a lot of the parts on. I'm just waiting for a little bit more to come in as far as body kit. But I'll show you guys that. If you want to see a sneak peek of what I got, check out my Instagram at Low&Slow Garage. You can't miss it. And I'm trying to put the link down in the description too, so just in case you guys want to know. But yeah, let me stop talking. Start getting some work done on this thing. I gotta still set up an engine stand, but for right now, I guess where it sits at, let me try to unbolt this transmission from this engine. As you guys can see, I already removed the starter once when I needed the car, so I just got it zip tied up onto the exhaust. Now, since I got the transmission free, I got to take off this converter. I'm gonna give that to them, and that should be that. So this should be, I believe it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 bolts you gotta remove off the back inside of this to this plate, flywheel plate. So for the automatics. So I couldn't get the flywheel bolt out. I got one of them out. So I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna go ahead and start loosen all this wiring harness. Alright, since I got you guys here, so next, since I got all the wiring done out of here, so I'll put that away. We do a video on this, how to rewire for this motor later on. So right now, I'm going to take off these rails for core pack rails, take them off on both sides, and from there probably take off like some accessories like alternator, the fan, and anything else that looks like it's loose, just to get it ready for tomorrow for me to wash it down. This motor is really ugh. But yeah, then we'll get an 8mm bolt. 8mm. Well, you know, I'm gonna get 8mm socket. I'm sorry. I'm gonna start taking that off. So I got the passenger side off. Now I'm about to do the driver's side. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this AC compressor, and after I take that out, I think it's 1, 2, 3 bolts, 4 bolts, I see. Yeah, once I take that off, it should be good to go. So I already took off the AC compressor. Now I'm going ahead and take off this bracket. I believe it's like 1 bolt right here. I'll find out. To the nitty gritty. Alright, so accessories are off. Accessory damages. So this looks like it's a bunch of grease. As far as these bolts, probably can remove the whole water pump, and that should be done. I'm just going to leave this attached. I'll figure out what I'm going to do later. Alright, y'all. Taking this off. So, I know I said I was going to wash the motor today, but I'm going to have to probably say that for the next video. So the next video, we're basically gonna wash the motor and basically tear down more into it. Make sure the heads are good and everything. And if not, well, we might be just doing some upgrading. I mean, I'm not saying I was gonna do some upgrade anyway. I'm just saying though. But let's see what kind of condition these heads in, and take it to my engine builder and let him redo these heads again. But let me show you what we got done for today. So the injectors and all that's still in, but the rail for the core packs is off. All the accessories are off on the front, except for the front pulley. No, all the accessories are off, except for this. That's not off. We got the wiring harness off. We got the engine mounts off, which I'll show you. The alternator bracket is somewhere. Oh, it's right there. All that's connected together right there. The wiring harness, the alternator, all that. So, yeah, I mean, for a good part, they got a lot of things today done. Like I said, this build is still coming along. My next thing, like I said, is just washing it. Fuck. shit. But yeah, washing it, for the most part. Alright guys, well, you know how we do. I'm out. Peace, take care. See you for the next episode of Low&Slow Garage. And if you want to know more about builds or what I got coming in for this, stay tuned to my Instagram, which I will drop pictures and little mini videos on what I got. So see y'all later. Peace.